Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today I want to talk about the main theme of Surah Fussilat, a surah that is honestly very powerful because it keeps asking us one huge question. When the truth is made clear to us, how do we respond? The word Fussilat itself means explained in detail or clearly laid out. And that is the entire vibe of the surah. Allah shows sign after sign after sign through the Qur'an, through nature, through history, and even through our own selves. But despite all these signs, people still have a choice. Will they listen or ignore? One of the most beautiful parts of this surah is how Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala talks about creation. The earth, the skies, the day and night, rain bringing dead land back to life. It is basically a reminder that the universe is not meaningless. Everything around us points back to a creator. And what's cool is that the surah constantly shifts our perspective. Instead of seeing nature as ordinary, it teaches us to see it as communication from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. The rain is a sign, the sky is a sign, even our own existence is a sign. The surah is teaching us to become people who notice things. Another major theme is accountability. Surah Fussilat describes scenes from the Day of Judgment where people can't hide from the truth anymore. Even their own hearing, their eyes, and their skin testify about what they did. That part hits hard because it reminds us, nothing is truly hidden. Not our actions, not our intentions, not the way we treat people when nobody is watching. But the purpose isn't just fear, it's awareness. The surah is trying to wake people up before it's too late. Then suddenly, the surah gives us one of the most beautiful pieces of advice in the Qur'an. Repel evil with what is better. Meaning, don't always answer anger with anger. Don't answer cruelty with cruelty. The surah says that when someone responds with goodness and patience, an enemy can even become like a close friend. That is genuinely revolutionary advice. In a world where everybody wants to clap back, win arguments, and destroy people online, Surah Fussilat teaches emotional strength, mercy, and self-control. Not weakness, but strength. Even though the surah contains warnings, it is deeply hopeful. Allah promises that those who stay firm in faith and live sincerely will have angels comforting them, saying, "Do not fear and do not grieve." That ending is so comforting because it reminds us that faith is not just rules, it's peace, support, and closeness to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So if I had to summarize the main theme of Surah Fussilat in one sentence, it would be this. Allah has made the truth clear through revelation, creation, and our own lives. And now, each person must choose how they respond. Will we ignore the signs, or will we let them transform us? And honestly, that question is still relevant every single day. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.